Hello, Agent Blazers. I'm Jennifer Lee, Lead Admin Evangelist at Salesforce. And today I'm excited to demo the asset management agent for a fictional financial services company called Cortex Asset Management. They use Agentforce to address the challenge of quickly accessing critical financial insights by providing real-time data from Salesforce, like fund positions and sales figures, and integrating with external sources like Morningstar and Bloomberg through Data Cloud for performance metrics and market events, empowering sales teams and managers to make informed decisions efficiently. So let's dive in and see this in action. Now, working with a client, John Adams, and he is interested in the high yield fund and is interested in the performance of the fund. So I'm going to ask the agent to help me with gathering the performance. I'm going to ask it to give me the fund performance for the high yield fund, and I'm providing the ticker symbol. Great. So it came back with the fund and having a Morningstar star rating of 3 stars and the 1, 3, and 5-year performance, which is great. Now, I need to grab a list of firms with a certain AUM for that high yield fund. So I can ask the agent to do that as well. List all the firms with AUM of greater than 100 million in the PGIM high yield fund. And it comes back and lets me know that the firm with AUM of greater than 100 million in that fund is 401 Consults. So how did it do this? Now let's go into Agent Builder. So we can see that listing the firms with AUM of greater 100 million had that result that we saw. And what the agent did behind the scenes was it selected the general CRM asset management topic that has 15 instructions and 11 actions. And specifically, it used the custom flow action called Get Accounts by Fund. And the inputs from the agent to the flow were AUM, my amount, and the fund, which was the PGIM high yield fund. And then it went and returned the information that you see in the agent. Now, let's take a look at that auto launch flow. And this is a fairly simple flow, which I love. What this flow does is it gets the records from the portfolio custom Salesforce object, where the fund name equals the fund name that was passed from the agent, and the current year AUM is greater than equal to the AUM value that was passed from the agent to the flow. Now, it's going to stop at the first record found and grab certain information that was displayed by our agent. And next, it's going to do an assignment where it takes that portfolio information and sends it and saves it into a record variable that is then used from the flow back into our agent. Now, the other prompt that we used was getting the fund performance information using the ticker symbol. And we got the Morningstar star rating and the 1, 3, and 5-year performance. Now, in this case, the agent selected the Retrieve Fund Performance from Data Cloud topic that has 6 instructions and 1 action. And it invoked the custom flow action fund performance where it passed the ticker and it received the performance information that you see here. Now let's look at that auto launch flow. And this can't be any simpler, right? It's a 1-step, 1-element flow. Love it. And what it does is it gets the fund performance from a data cloud object called fund performance. And it passes over the ticker that was sent from the agent into our flow. And it retrieves the Morningstar 1, 3, and 5-year information. And that's how Cortex Asset Management used Agentforce to create an asset management agent with simple custom flow actions that interacted with data from Data Cloud and Salesforce CRM. Congrats to Team Cortex for creating this demo from the Hackathon NYC event.